Is asbestos a thing of the past? The sad truth is, not at all. Take Judy's house. Built in the 90s using modern building materials and methods, it should be asbestos-free, right? Wrong. Many building materials being sold today, such as joint compound floor tiles, sheetrock, and more, may still contain asbestos. Judy wasn't aware of that when she decided to renovate her kitchen. Asbestos becomes a hazard when airborne, so this renovation job could potentially be harmful to her family's health. Also, Judy's contractor failed to warn her that in New York State, asbestos testing is mandatory before any construction or renovation job. So if the state or municipality finds out, the contractor may be looking at the possibility of multiple fines totaling thousands of dollars. This cost will likely be passed on to Judy, not to mention the possibility of her construction being completely shut down by the Department of Environmental Protection. Asbestos testing can save money and, more importantly, health. Contact exclusive testing labs today